Hi everyone, it's your boy Ricky here for Honeybee Stamps. I hope you're doing well today and thank you so much for being here. In today's little tutorial, we're not making a card. We're going to do an all die cut bookmark. I have never made a bookmark before, so this is going to be the first, hopefully not the last, but we are going to be using some products from the latest, not the latest release, but the one before it, the Cottage. Oi, what is it called? Cottage? Oh, please hold. The Cottage Countryside. Anyway, before we get started, just a few things. First, like the channel, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell so that you know a new video has come out. And lastly, leave some comments down below. Tell me what you think about my bookmark. So let's go ahead and get down to the desk to see what we're going to be using today. Okay, so we're going to be using the Lovely Layers Birthday Bath. We're going to be using some this specialty blue paper I had in my stock. It's going to look like waves in the, or actually water in the bath. We're going to be using some pink, green, orange, and yellow for the birds. We're going to be using this white piece of paper. It is cut at 5.5 by 1 3/4. That's going to be the base of our bookmarker. We're going to be cutting out the bird bath in the white cardstock, some of the bird pieces in the black, and then we're going to be using this specialty paper here for the bookmark. So let me go ahead and get this set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut out all the pieces out of the different colored cardstocks. We are going to do the fountain in all white. I just didn't want to do any color. I just wanted to kind of be like that white cement ceramic type of bath. We're going to cut out the birds in black and all these other colors because all the birds are connected together and some of the body parts are black and some of them are the color. And then we're going to cut out the water in this blue area. And you want to make sure you cut out 2 of these, and I'll show you why when I'm putting things together. So I'm going to die cut all this out, put it together, show you what it looks like, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so I went ahead and put everything together. There is a guide that shows you how to put together the bird bath along with the birds. The birds are super simple. It's not even that crazy. Like the hardest thing is just making sure that you have some tweezers for them. Now we're going to go ahead and put this together because it's just going to be really super quick here. The first thing I want to do is we're going to go ahead and take our honeybee glue and we are going to glue this to the base piece. We just want to make sure we get enough glue along the sides. There we go. We'll get that glued down. It's cut at the same 5.5 by 1 3/4. There we go. Of course, there we go. Liquid glue is always best because you can move around a little bit if you mess up a little bit. There we go. So we have that. So the next thing we're going to do, and this is why I told you that we were going to do this, we need to make sure that this stays on the bookmark. So we're kind of just going to use the back here. We're not going to put the whole thing together. We're just using this one piece. And we're going to glue this down. Basically, we're going to glue the top here just to get that down. You're not going to glue the bottom part yet because that's where you're going to slide the bookmark into. So now what you want to do is to go ahead and get your fountain like that. We're going to turn it around and we're just going to glue this to the back there so there's support to hold it through when it's like being pushed through a book. Like this probably isn't going to last forever unless the person like treats it like gold, but it is just a cute little thing, you know, if they're like into birds or you bought them a birding book. I thought that would be cute to have. Let's see here. Let's make sure this is even on this side. There we go. And now we're just going to glue this down here. So I should put the glue here. There we go. So there we have the bath on the bookmark. So cute. I love this. And now you guys, we're just gonna put these little guys here. I'm just gonna show you where they are. I'm gonna glue them off camera, but we're just gonna kind of glue them into the bird bath here, like they're talking to each other, like they're having a good old time. Gonna do it like that. So let me go ahead and get these glued down, and I'll be right back to show you what it's gonna look like. All right, you guys, that's the end of the video. Really quick thing. I think this is really great if you want to make something really quick for like a teenager or a kid that's reading into books right now. You could create this style with anything that Honeybee has. I just thought it would be really cute with the flowers and then the bird bath along with the birds. It's going to be pretty stable because you did glue it and it's, you know, connected to the back. And it's a pretty solid, actually, it's pretty solid. And just as long as it's treated well, I think it's going to be great as a bookmark. But there we go. So cute. I love it. It's so adorable. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Make sure that you like the channel or subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment down below. Tell me which other products that you would use that Honeybee Stamps has to make a bookmark with. Or if you've made one, tell me which one you've used. And then also make sure you click that bell so that you know a new video has come out. So thank you guys very much. All the links that all the products that I use will be linked down below. So thank you very much for being here. I appreciate you, and we will talk with you soon. Bye.